Welcome! If you want to share a video link on Instagram using the app on your PC, this guide will walk you through the new update's simple steps. Whether you're promoting your favorite content or just want to send a funny clip to friends, you'll have it done in seconds. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. If you haven't already, log into your account so you're ready to go. Once you're in, take a moment to navigate through your feed or use the search bar at the top to find the video you want to share. You can browse through your favorite creators, explore trending content, or check out your saved posts. Just make sure you've found the exact video you want. Now, look closely at the top right corner of the video post. You'll see 3 small dots lined up vertically. Click on these dots. This opens a menu with several options, but the one you're looking for is Copy Link. Go ahead and click on it. Instantly, the link to that video is copied to your clipboard, ready to be pasted anywhere you like. With the link copied, you have the freedom to share it wherever you want. You can paste it into a direct message on Instagram, send it to a friend on WhatsApp, drop it into a group chat, or even post it on another social media platform. Just right-click and select Paste, or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+V to drop the link in your chosen spot. Sharing videos on Instagram from your PC has never been easier thanks to this update. It's a quick way to spread content, recommend posts, or keep your followers updated with what's trending. So next time you find a video worth sharing, just follow these steps and get that link out to your audience in no time. Thanks for tuning in, and enjoy sharing your favorite videos on Instagram.